Hey guys, Snow here, back with another video, and today is the 9th of December, which is really cool because it's my sister's birthday today. So I'm doing a really quick vlog, so we get one diamond, and I got black candy cane socks. What the hell? I just literally got black candy cane socks. Oh my god. I'm just gonna search up what these are worth. I can't believe I got black candy cane socks, even though they're not worth anything really. I still got them. I mean, oh my god, candy cane table lamp. I just can't believe I actually got black candy cane socks. It's like, it was one of my dream items, honestly. And I got it. Okay, well, I might just put this. Maybe if I, oh, nope. Maybe if I just move this, put this here, and maybe like, put, maybe I could just put this here. Oh, look, looks okay. Oh my god, Jamal a day apron, you gotta be kidding me. I'm just checking every store. I don't know one now. Yeah. I can't believe I actually got black candy cane socks. This is like the best thing that's ever happened to me. Or gingerbread stepping stones. But this is like the best thing that's ever happened to me. Like, I've always wanted black candy cane socks. And I just literally got black candy cane socks. um, But yeah, it's pretty cool. If only I got that on face cam though. If only I got that on face cam, that would have been hilarious. Although my like what you heard of me didn't sound so it, but my face, I just thought of my face. I might tell Lion Cakes, because Lion Cakes is one of my closest friends. So yeah, I got black candy cane. Yeah. Oh look, she got black candy cane socks too. And he got black candy cane socks. I might try and get them on my backup account, guys. I might try and get black candy cane socks on my backup, because like if they do turn out to be like rare again, um and like I traded mine, I have a spare, which is going to be quite cool. So, and I believe that if you're not happy with what you got, um you can just refresh the page, and then you just keep on getting on. But yes, just waiting. I might, if this takes too long, guys, I might just pause it and then. It took Lex about 4 tries. I just got mine on the first try, as you just saw. Okay, this may take some time. If only I like got black candy cane socks like last Christmas, because I wasn't really playing last Christmas Animal Jam, so I was so busy. But yeah, I really hope I get black candy cane on this account, because I just really want one on this account. So okay, got blue. I don't want blue. I'd like black, please. Come on, Animal Jam. You were nice to me on my real account, unless you don't like my spare account. Okay, we've got pink ones. We don't want pink ones. We want blue. We want black ones. But breathing because I saw that blue links. Come on. Yay! Yay! Black candy cane socks! I'm not trying to rub it into anyone who hasn't got any, but you know, it's amazing. You know, it's just amazing. I might delete, and then I might buy some stuff to go with it, because I'm so lame on this account. Because like I only made this account for I only made this account for, I don't know anymore, but I'm just trying to find some stuff. I guess this can be it, but yeah, I've got them on all my accounts now. And also look at that. So yes, that's probably going to be it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!